Mama wakwaba, mo frame Adjoa searching Mesro na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo ene asem na ye critical ene 2024 ye womi na kwansefo omo twetwa nam eton no me kire omo twetwa na ntwi mponche ndwan eton omo kire 2024 ya NDC fu mu besu papa because Vice President Dr. Bawumia no omo pe no ena na omo pe obi eni ho a obetumi aseso mo adwen 2024 7th December edu ho a Vice President Dr. Bawumia ena oko omu obi eni ho ayo who are you? No, why? So, Becatcher wants to buy a fair mount. Dabby. Then now, quasi for your mutual name, ye name say more a Muslims. It's me a sure so more brother ever there. Want to mean sign of home. And as I want to mean 2 months won't cover her buying shape in Sinde and I saw Vice President Dr. Bawumia or Coyency, senior seminar essay a coy.
The propaganda that you hear. In fact, the fact that you hearing the propaganda means say
it is causing problem.
It is causing problem. I mean, me constituencies bear me and son na ewo down hanuma campaign me ko bi no. A friend say because e baako a friend say nankwansre so unimu na ka na omo etwa no butchers.
Oh, now for
butchers association. They say papa baako there was say hey why papa you beto ama na yen ni himfoni ezongo himfoni ye wona. This is our assignment ye be it is say ukwa that sentiment is very much there.
Meaning said they want Bawumia antina ye just a few of the southern zongos no na air kasa.
Exactly. So it's one co a year and only a full advantage. The only problem we have, as I said, apathy from our core members, particularly in the city of Kumasi and the city of Accra. Okay,
the apathy is there.
Your campaign, a honor, a concentration. Though, say it minya a month for my own tears. You know, the baba which rabani we move forward now. Yeah, show up in the bar. NPP doesn't have a problem. Okay.
Yeah. For you, we should be rest assured, say, choosing Bawumia was not a mistake, and that he's going to pull the weight as yeah. May I personally believe, say Enya Bawumia, NPP should forget even coming to power because. Before Amoko to Saba will Namayam Shishimano and I'm someone and Crofwire they aka. And in any case, why wouldn't you want to change a tag a diamawa and your positive tag? You have the opportunity to change that tag. So this is a party for all, like you said, an all-inclusive party, whereby it doesn't matter where you're from, but rather what substance that is in you that could be used by the party is what they go by. You should have thrown that away and then just say it's okay. We are canning to the would have been very bad. Mr. Sam, 1 hour and I the next 5 minutes. Now Odiama closing remarks. Number to me toward the rest of the program. But for the next 5 minutes, you could give us what you want to tell us.
Thank you, Slim Fresh. I thank you very much and say allow me opportunity to speak to our people. The mechanic say there will be ase na abato ni politics na idea edi say nipa now pese nyina baby efa presidential parliamentary so ama still no the party moves on nti yesrewa mama nyina nka mum na yenye adwuma no towards 2024 November December election no yesre ubia. Yeah, the American say policies are Dr. Adebano. It's what the nation needs. The inclusive policies now, you know, what they ban, where it's a FA ID system, FA school system, FA even a humani bibiana. Policies are edi ubia nya ebambi to contribute and also to benefit. You know, na ebe boy na. See now contribute to a kakrawa and a beboa. Enti the extra say it's the same so no campaign afina so we will come to everybody for help. Yeni ewo abuchire no Canada, Toronto and beyond overseas ni ade no moma ye support na because in fact if you don't do that and get to bring this manner, me worry ni say enema pi no ebeko ye cheaper. So for example, minim say Bawumia ene wo ho a enka ID system a ye kan ho asem. Instead of right now around 17-18 million people holding Ghana card, the Bawumia na president, I can tell you, and I believe that by now, enka 30 million
majority of us
ID. And again, like I started with, fundamentals are very important. It's something we need before we move forward. Enti Mr. Remo said, "Minim say mama ba Ghana card, for example, ono a improve no ono so a obe jayama ebe sign aye. I said the President Kufuor started ya say for that alone, Mr. Remo mama yimpushi kwa mbia ebe fast wa Dr. Bawumia bana eya. Thank you.
Mr. Sam.
Yeah.
Mr. Sam. Are you like the third and last one?
And he's going to give benefit to us.
Okay. With third and last topic, I like to treat with you. And then they said you went into Ghana, Mukovo to Bawumia the way it's supposed to be for him to be the flag bearer and everything. Now, I was of the belief, say you could choose a Muslim candidate here, and I say you choose be a or free north, and I saw crowd that tenacity now. And Kayenianum Muslimi for no would draw close to it. However, not that I'm not seeing the effect, but say only Yenianum Srimfuni Bikasa, all right?
Yeah.
They like I don't know, almost like they are not really on his side like that. What do you think might be the reason? Because Mona must say,
let me correct you.
Mona must say, Yamamo chance, Emma Mon serve a party. I feel Yamamo chance. Just yesterday, Mr. Sam, I had a conversation with someone, okay?
Yeah.
Someone who is close to the north. And I mean, people know who this person I'm talking about is. And Okachem said, oh, no, Ankasakrano. I shock on how an Nkofonama NDC for that down, say, Bawumia is only using the Muslim to a but he's not a true Muslim and all of that. And that is what they are saying. I don't know if the team have heard that. They are saying he's not a true Muslim. And it is a big campaign they are doing up there.
No, it's that was expected. It's propaganda. And every politician does it, right? We almost. But the truth of the matter is the Zongo caucus, there is effect. We may not get overwhelming majority.
Yes.
But definitely we can compete. Okay. Hello.
Oh, Mr. Sam, fire call me, but sorry.
So we can compete. We can compete better than before, and that's the advantage you're gonna get. Okay. You see, say can't nothing. The reason why it's so important, say you need to cut it in say apart from the geographical north, 5 regions in what's wrong, which me call me experience in say how do any problem. Okay. And NDC for now, I've heard many NDC people confess to that. Say, north there, when we are worried, they say either we may overtake them or we may
split it
than before. Now, back south, there are people of northern extraction. Almost probably 2 to 5 million millions of people across the southern sector. I mean, a crime free museo. A bra mimisano, not northness or percentage, was probably 20, between 15 and 20%. And not mostly from the and we are that. And then it's different. It's almost 50%.